My baby said, let's go on a date. And I'm so ready. I am so ready. And I'm also ready and excited to share with you what I am wearing today for this date night. Let's get it. As I said, I'm so excited to share this look with y'all today. And y'all, when I get a chance to get out of the house, I want to look my best. And I know my husband wants me to look my best too. So we're going to start from head to toe and let y'all see what your girl is wearing today. Okay? The earrings. Okay? Listen, all of this stuff was bought eons apart. Okay? But ironically, these earrings from Amazon hits the spot. And let me tell you about this bodysuit. I've had this bodysuit every bit of probably 6 years, okay? But it is sheer. It is a little bit larger than I would want it to be. However, at the time, I was even larger than I am now. So guess what? It works. It works. Okay, it works. But it's sheer and this beautiful filigree velvet. You can actually feel it. It feels very expensive, but y'all, it was not. I want to say it's every bit of She-Win, not Shein, but She-Win. Okay, now when it comes to the arm candy, the jewelry on this arm, this bracelet is from Amazon. And this little ring is from Amazon. This watch is by way of my husband, Mr. Dobbins. Thank you so much. I'm not even sure. Man, I know he's probably had this watch for 40, 50 years or more. But it is super nice, gold, and I'm rocking gold because that just set the vibe. This ring here, and I took off my wedding band because this ring was so bulky that I had to. Okay, nails are from Amazon as well. All right, check out this belt. I know y'all looking at it like, that's cute. It is. Amazon, I want to say it came in a 2 or 3 pack or so, something like that. But I wanted a wider belt. These leather pants are from Amazon, faux leather. Okay. Faux leather, let's get that right. But guess what? I love them and I wish I had a sized up, even though, you know, I got them on, but I wanted them to be more looser fitting. But you know, they are that scuba kind of fabric, so they're gonna work. They actually zip right here in the front. And I love the big leg pants because girl, your girl got these big legs, so why not, right? But listen, y'all, they came with another belt, but the belt was so flimsy. I just wanted something more sturdy. And I wish I had a gold belt that was a lot thicker because the belt loops are a lot thicker. But I think it still goes just fine. What do you think? What do you think? Okay, I know what y'all looking at. Y'all looking at this little clutch. The clutch is from Amazon as well. Now I know the colors are a little bit off, but I think they go just fantastic. I wanted to wear this bag. Let me just put it like that. And I thought, hey, why not offset it with a little pop? That's a little pop right there, okay? And honey, don't play with your girl because, listen, I got the right glasses. And y'all, let me tell you about this bag. Hey, I want to thank Bo Who No for sending over this woven clutch, y'all. I know you say it's probably more for like summer, but I can rock it anytime. Let me tell you this, because this clutch is giving main character energy anytime, okay? Like, imagine you stepping out on the town with this. Baby, this bag got everybody looking. It's that woven striped dumpling bag. Real cute, real classy, real, I just hopped off my private jet to the islands type vibe. I love this, honey. Whoa, chef's kiss. The colors, yeah, they're popping. And louder than your ex begging for another chance. And don't get it twisted, this bag is not just for looks. It's got space too. Throw in your lipstick, phone, sunscreen, snacks, whatever. This right here ain't just a purse, baby. It's a moment. It's a statement. This is the kind of bag that says, yeah, I know I look good and my bag do too. Period. Yes, love it. Thank you for the gift. And it works out perfectly because your girl is suited and booted. And speaking of boots, girl got her boots on with the gold heel. Yes, I do. Ankle boots from Amazon. Y'all need to stop sleeping on my sellers on Amazon. And hold up, inside the purse, listen, I know this is something y'all might not go to Amazon to purchase much of, but girl, my Jimmy Choo. I know it's almost gone, but I was rocking Jimmy Choo before Jimmy Choo, I Want You was all over social media. So this is her. This is the scent of the day. Jimmy Choo, I Want You. And hold up. Don't play with your girl. Don't play with your girl. Because you know she got to put her hater blockers on, right? I'm just kidding. I know I ain't got no haters out there. Let me check. Okay, no, I don't have any. But y'all, these sunglasses, okay. Gosh, I've been wearing them since they sent them to me. And I love them because, you know, I can see outside, I can see inside. And y'all look fabulous. Y'all look fabulous. But here is the fit.
They said, slow down, your time's done. But I'm just getting started, hun. Got a fire burning under my skin. You can call it my second wind, my second wind, my second chance. I'm stepping out, I'm gonna dance. The years try to quiet my song, but baby, I'm still singing strong. But gray hair don't mean I'm through.
Yes, and that's it. I'm out. Enjoy your weekend.
Seasons got its glow, and I'm brighter than you'll ever know. Don't count me out, I'm counting. Feeling lighter than I've ever been. This heart still beats in rhythm and rhyme. Ain't nothing lost, just right on time. I got my second wind. Feeling young again. This ain't the end. This is where I begin.